Reading can be exhausting, especially for students with dyslexia or ADHD, or really just anyone who has trouble staying focused. In this video, I'm going to show you the Kami Companion reading assist tools, like the ruler and screen masking, which can help students stay focused on their task. Let's take a look. Reading online can be hard for students who lose their place, skip lines, or get overwhelmed by a full page of text. The Reading Assistant in Kami Companion gives students two tools to help with that. In the Kami Companion toolbar, under the ruler icon, you'll see two options, a reading ruler and screen masking. Both help students stay focused on the line they're actually reading. Let's get started with the reading ruler. Let me first go into my settings, and I can change the opacity, color, height of the reading ruler, and width of the reading ruler. I'm going to increase this. I'm also going to select Follow Cursor so that it moves with my cursor along the screen. For students who use keyboard navigation, the Show Move button will be a helpful feature. I'm also going to show a reading line that will be just at the bottom of the highlight. Let's take a look. So now I'm going to activate the reading ruler, and I have this reading ruler that now will move with me on the page wherever I'd like it to go. The second option is screen masking. Instead of highlighting the current line, this tool darkens everything around it. Again, you can go into settings and modify how this appears by color, opacity, and height, as well as showing move buttons for keyboard navigation. Both tools are flexible enough for students to adjust on their own, which means they can make the reading assistant work for how they read without needing to ask for help.